Presenting the Clavier Fusion Portable Bluetooth Speaker, Bluetooth 5.0 wireless speakers with HD sound and rich bass, LED flashing light, built-in mic for iPhone and Android. It comes with Bluetooth speakers with 5W dual driver and bass diaphragm for rich bass, clear midrange and crisp compatibility and stable transmission. Speakers with Bluetooth 5.0 and design. The speakers have a unique appearance and gorgeous, deep and shocking bass, wireless Bluetooth speakers and mic, fast connection for smartphones and iPhone with TF card support upto. It has configuration, mono. It comes with battery. The speaker has built-in Li-ion 1000 mAh battery. It also features Bluetooth 5.0 and wireless technology, high-fidelity transmission and 131 feet Bluetooth range and complete compatibility. Pair smartphones, tablets, laptops and more via Bluetooth or connect non-Bluetooth devices such as MP3 players using the included aux cable or play music with memory card. The delivery box contains 1x speakers and 1x charging cable, 1x aux cable and 1x manual. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.